Kia ora everyone. Just want to tell you about a fun little project Frank and I have been working on, mainly Frank, but we've been modifying the shipping container. So come on in and I will show you around. Over here we have the bedroom area. Those doors at the back open out and it's a cozy little setup for a couple. We've got a TV and kitchen area, fridge. Set that up with some goodies, wine and breakfast food. And then we've got Wi-Fi set up as well. And then going through into the bathroom area, on your left is the toilet and on your right is the shower. Yeah, so come stay. We'd love to have you. It's a perfect setup for two people, self-contained. We're ready for booking, so private message me for availability. We can accommodate cyclists, travelers, anyone. Come and stay. You'll have fun. Be great to have you.